guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So if you follow us on Instagram or social media, you might know that we just arrived to the Bahamas. So before we head out, we are gonna give you guys a little house tour so you can see where we're staying. Super cute place, I love it. Right on the water.
So cute, guys, so cute.
Let's go see.
Peep my minivan in the back.
Yeah, so before we show you the house, we're gonna show you our whip for the week.
I've always wanted a
A
minivan.
freaking minivan.
You're going the wrong way.
Oh my gosh, no, I'm getting in the passenger seat.
Oh, okay.
So if you guys have ever been to the Bahamas, you know that they drive on the opposite side of the car.
And they have automatic shut doors.
And it's actually opposite too. We like kept trying to blink that we're gonna turn, and we kept turning the windshield wipers
Windshield
on.
wipers have been on probably about 25 times since we've been here. And we've been here for about 25 minutes.
We took it for a little ride, and I swear it was the funniest thing watching Royce drive this car around, because they also drive on the opposite side of the road. So it's gonna take a little getting used to.
Broke the fucking car. But it is very strange.
We can bring the whole gang up in
I
here.
kinda don't like it. It's a little hard. Motherfuckers are crazy here. And it's in kilometers. How much?
Oh, yeah.
45 miles per hour in kilometers.
Yeah, we're gonna have to Google that.
I'm over here going 45 kilometers.
Yeah, that's so weird that the cars have kilometers when all their signs say miles per hour.
Whatever.
Anyways, this is the whip. Now let's go see the crib.
It doesn't even work. I look good in a minivan. We're gonna have to get a minivan.
Definitely not. So here we are. Let's go see. So how it's designed is there's technically like 2 pods, as you would call it. So that's an entire pod, and then that's another entire pod. Come on in. So we got a little deck area here. Cute little table. And I love how she decorated this entire place with like shells everywhere.
And rocks.
That's my favorite one. There's the water. We'll take you guys down there in a little bit, but first, pod 1. I should do that.
We're standing on this.
Dun dun dun. So this is like its own separate little, I wouldn't say house, but
Studio.
studio.
It smells good in here.
So good. And I love how all of the ceilings are like this. They're super high. And then you come this way. These chairs, you wouldn't think that they're comfortable, but they're actually super comfortable. Dun dun dun. We have the bathroom. Even the soap holder's like a little rock.
For myself.
Okay.
I would have to drop this little.
Seriously love this bathroom. Super cute. It's really dark in here. Let's see if you can. There we go. Very nice.
What?
If we need to check to see if our minivan's been stolen or not.
You probably should have done it, man. I was looking at that.
And then it has its own little bathroom in here. There's a little closet there, but so pod 1.
And these freaking windows are dope as shit. I love how they just.
On to the next pod. So this is where we've been sleeping. We've been showering in the other one, sleeping in this one. First, I'll take you around the little deck.
Hello, neighbors.
Next pod. We have our washer and dryer in here. Well, I should just say washer. But I guess they don't use dryers here. They just hang dry everything.
Well, yeah, what is the temperature only drops 6 degrees from the morning and night. Because they're on Spanish water. This is our pet rock. His name is Fred. The coolest guy drove us here, Samuel.
Samuel had some stories to tell.
Samuel had some stories.
Look at me, I'm not even wearing shoes. I'm a savage.
Okay, okay. We don't need to tell lies here.
This is where I'm gonna come and tan.
And I'm gonna go explore the deeps of the ocean. We're gonna go catch a shark. And we are gonna cook it and eat it. Even this morning I was up here.
How's it feel today? Really? There it is, our crib for a little over a week.
Look over yonder. Look at the beautiful view out there. I hurt my hips.
Over here, we have our own outdoor shower. Yes, I would. That's cool though, I always like outdoor showers.
Especially for you. You're stinky girl.
I can't even hold the camera myself because Royce is too tall. And I have to cut my head off like that.
Here.
A little bit lower. There we go. Thank you guys for watching. We are gonna go and explore the island a little bit, check out a little couple things that Samuel mentioned to us that we should see. And we will see you guys on our next vlog.
Let's go get some food.
Yeah, that too, and a drink.
Or two.
Bye!
We have a beautiful view. Look at our beautiful house.